you can save 500,000 naira in 6 months. No magic, just strategy. People say you can't save money if you're broke. But what if I told you you don't have to earn millions to save like a boss? In this video, I will break down how anyone, I mean anyone, even with a small income, can save 500,000 naira in just 6 months. No tricks, no sugarcoating, just real talk. Now, let's get into it. Step 1. Break the big goals into smaller bits. Step 500,000 naira in 6 months sounds big, right? But divide it. That's about 83,000 naira per month. Roughly 2,800 naira per day. Now, that is not so scary anymore, is it? Big goals feel possible when you shrink them into daily actions. Step 2. Know exactly where your money dey go. Don't guess. Don't even think about guessing. Track your income and your expenses. You dey chop shawarma every weekend, abi? Buying data 3 times a week? Rather than spending recklessly, why not write it down? Use budget apps like Monify or even a small notebook for this task. If you no sabi where your money dey waka, e go always dey disappear like NEPA light. Step 3. Create a budget that works for you. Budgeting no be punishment o, it's a protection. You can try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings. Or go the Naija style, use envelope method. Label your money, food, transport, data. Once one don finish, e don finish be dat o. No dipping hand inside the money again like a jollof rice beef. Step 4. Cut off the silent killers. What are silent killers? These are the small things eating your money away in peace. Things such as impulse buying, the subscriptions you forgot about, and ordering snacks because you deserve it every 2 days. I pity you. Just cutting out one of these habits can save you 5 to 15,000 naira monthly. No joke. Step 5. Pay yourself first, always. Don't wait to save what's left. Save first. As money land, move your savings immediately. I would recommend PiggyVest or Kuda to help you save automatically. You save go shop when you see your progress in the future. Step 6. Add small hustle to your lane. Saving from one stream of income is hard. Even 10,000 naira per month from side hustle equals to 60,000 naira in 6 months. You can also teach online, sell thrift, and write captions for businesses. Money no too plenty anywhere. You need to get creative. Step 7. Make your saving goals visible. Do this by printing a savings tracker. Write 500,000 naira in 6 months on your wall or phone. Color in each box as you save. Your eyes go see the progress. Your brain go love the motivation. Step 8. Get an accountability partner. This one cannot be overemphasized. Tell one trusted person about your financial goal. Underline my word, trusted. Yes, you have to trust someone. It cannot be that bad. Let this person check on you every month. It keeps you grounded and less tempted to blow your cash away or anyhow. Step 9. Automate the process. To do this, use auto debit. Save 500 naira daily. Move it from your main account to your savings account. In 30 days, 15,000 naira go don disappear, but in a good way. You go forget say you dey save till your account go smile. Finally, step 10. Celebrate your progress small. When you hit 100,000 naira, and 250,000 naira. Do something small for yourself. Buy yourself ice cream or a new book. Take a quiet walk with music. Reward your efforts. Make your brain associate saving with happiness. Yippee! And not suffering. Even with small income, discipline go carry you go far. As you don watch this video, which of the steps go work best for you? Drop am for the comment section, my friend. If this video made sense, like, subscribe, and share with someone wey wan level up financially. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.